Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE V20, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here where you get to find your desired language. Now for me, it's already selected a correct one, so I'm just gonna select start. And this will bring me to the page where I can insert my SIM card. Now this page is completely optional. You can skip it if you want to. The only reason why you have it along with the Wi-Fi connection page is so you can choose to connect either to Wi-Fi or mobile network, and that will allow you throughout the process later on to log into your Google account. Now if you choose to skip both of them, like I will, the Google login page will not show up throughout the setup process, and additionally date and time won't be set automatically, as you can see right here. So anyway, moving on, we'll have some Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. So you can read exactly what these do if you want them enabled, or keep them enabled, or if you don't want them, you can turn them off. Moving on to the next page, we have the screen lock protection. So by default, the phone opts into a 4-digit PIN, but you can change it right here and set up a pattern or password as well. I'll set up a pattern right here. And additionally, if you want, you can skip it by tapping right here, or before it was like somewhere here. So anyway, now we'll set up my screen lock, and then the phone also prompts me to set up a fingerprint, because this does have a fingerprint sensor, I believe, on the power button right here. So if you want to set that up, you can do that right now. And if you're not planning to use it, you can just simply skip it. And it looks like that actually finishes up the setup, which is pretty quick. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.